Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 16th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius, this is your channel song. Sagittarius, I can understand what's right when you're clouding up my mind. Can when you're losing fights all the time. Nor could I ever own what's mine when you're always taking sides. But you won't take away my pride. No, not this time. Not this time. My thoughts have Sagittarius. How did we get here when I used to know you so well? Yeah. How did we get here when I think I know? Paramour, Sagittarius, something needs to be decoded. Okay, now there is a loud environment, so please excuse that. But at the same time, something needs to be decoded, Sagittarius, right? I can understand what's right. Sagittarius, how did we get here when I used to know you so well? I used to know you so well, Sagittarius. So tell me, how did we become enemies? Who came between us, Sagittarius? Because this is not like us. My northern node is Sagittarius. So how did we become enemies? This is crazy to me. Now maybe a Sagittarius tricked you into believing that we're enemies. But I could not be an enemy of Sagittarius. My northern node is a Sagittarius. My northern node is philosophy, to learn. My northern node is the forever student. It is the forever teacher. It is the forever guru. That's my northern node. My northern node is not medicine, unless it's lecturing or demonstrating. So you have to understand what another node is, Sagittarius, before you wonder why somebody go down the road there. Why you act that way? How do I act? Don't you see how you act? That's why nobody wants to be around you. Yeah, but maybe that's why you act the way you act. Maybe that's why somebody don't want to be around you, Sagittarius. Maybe because you're another node. And what node you're living in. So I don't understand how could I be your enemy, Sagittarius, when my other node is Sagittarius. I am the guru. I am the forever philosopher. I am the forever student. I am the forever learner, the forever teacher. Me a head cook and back the washer, jack of all trades but master of none. That is what Sagittarius is. So please decode this for me, Sagittarius. How did we get here? I used to know you so well. I know you so well. I am you. I am you at the end of your life. What you would be at the end of your life, I am that. And you are what I am at the beginning of my life. Because my other node is a Sagittarius. Me go end in what you is. So every aspiration you ever had, me I go be it in the ending. Because my other node is it. You have figure out what your other node is. Maybe that's what it is. Somebody try to switch destinies. Me getting a Sagittarius try to switch destinies with you. That's how you end up here. And they think they know you so well. They don't know you. They didn't even know that's not a zodiac sign. That's another bitch. It's another bet. Not you. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your relationship reading. Sagittarius, let's go. See, my issue with men, dating men, has never been... I mean, some of them couldn't really have sex. Oh my God. Some of them can't take cues. Some of them don't know how to treat a girl. Some of them hygiene is terrible, even if them work. But usually it's because of jealousy. Men are always jealous of me. And you would say if a man jealous of you, then fuck man. Yes, I think so too. I don't disagree with what you're saying. But what I am saying is, usually that's why I never ever talk back to a guy. Why I'm cut them off, them start getting jealous of me. Jealous of my beauty, jealous of the attention me get them, jealous of my knowledge, you're jealous of me. Any man me ever left, any man me ever never talked to ever again, it was because they were jealous of me or they were insecure walking beside somebody like me. And I'm homeless. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. What lesson do you need to learn from this breakup? Okay? Sagittarius. The devil. How did we get here? When I used to know you so well. So who made us enemies? Or is it a Capricorn got in the way? Can we get in the devil get in the way? Or yes, Sagittarius, we're binding to each other. You have Sun in Sagittarius. My northern node is in Sagittarius. That's sometimes how you tell twin flames. Look at their chart. The chart would be exactly each other, or it's the opposite of each other. That's if you know how to read a birth chart. But probably you're pretending to know how to read a birth chart because you want to be somebody you're not. Because you have a different northern node. And you try to steal a Sagittarius northern node. Gotcha, bitch. You're going to turn ugly, fat, beerless, homeless, and with a belly, with baby, bare feet, with a man who would never take care of you. How are you going to steal a Sagittarius destiny? You're fucking crazy. You'll go mad. You know that. You'll be on a psychiatric ward and end up on medication. You're trying to thief a Sagittarius destiny. Or if you're the Sagittarius who did this, you're gonna be left. Abandoned and left. The devil. So again, how did we get here? When I think I know, I know. What can you do to find peace right now with the Ace of Pentacles? We're getting you need to give somebody some information, you need to give them something, or you have to let somebody go, Sagittarius, okay? How can you forgive yourself and your ex? The Ace of Swords. We have two aces here. One ace is giving you something tangible, the other ace is giving you the truth. So I'm getting you to learn the truth about what a Capricorn did to you. You're going to learn the truth about what a Sagittarius did to you, why the Sagittarius is doing all of this to you, or you're going to get the truth that's not a Sagittarius, it's Capricorn. So maybe somebody born in a November, or somebody born in a December, somebody born November, December. You're getting them zodiac sign mixed up with a Scorpio, or you're getting mixed up with a Sagittarius. When would you be ready for your next relationship? The Three of Pentacles. I'm getting you ready to work. You're not ready for a relationship. You don't want a relationship. You're getting you're not even being offered a relationship. You're being offered a job contract to come work for somebody. You can come. Can you come? They might give you a start date and they might give you money. They might even give you an advance. I'm getting a Capricorn who wants you to come back to work. Or Sagittarius, you found out the reason for all of this. Now somebody can finally come out. I'm getting you face the devil. You might have even beat the devil. I'm getting you can go back to work. You can go back to work now. I don't know what your ex and your job had to. Maybe your ex is Sagittarius. Maybe your ex work at your job. I don't know what. Your ex. The devil was here, and now you have the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Three of Pentacles. That's your job contract. I'm getting you have to go back to work. You're going to tell them when to come back, and they're going, yeah, you're coming back to work. You're going back to work. And how can you prepare for your next relationship? The Wheel of Fortune. I'm getting there's no relationship here. There's none. No more. I'm getting you beat the devil, or you get away from the devil. No, you're going back to work. You're going to get the contract, the starting date. You're going to work, and you're going to be working at this place for a very long time. Nothing about relationship here. So I'm assuming you had to deal with you had to face your ex for something. Something about a Sagittarius. So what is it that what a Sagittarius did to you, or what a Capricorn did to you? But me getting you're free. You'll be working at this place for maybe 3 years or more, and me getting you back to work. So I don't know what happened to your ex. How did we get here? Maybe they figured out how you guys got here. It wasn't you. You didn't sell them out. Why would I sell you out? I'm a Sagittarius. Another node. The fuck? That happens when you keep looking on age, and you keep looking on gender, and you keep looking on skin color, and you keep asking somebody else's things about them. There's 8.8 billion people on the earth, and you ask people opinion about people. I'm gonna leave it here. No, should I? Did I? No, I didn't draw these. We have all expense paid. Yeah, I get a job opportunity. I get Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. Somebody want to give you this now? We have it's over. We have larceny. Somebody stole from you or them accuse you of stealing. You never see nothing. Cuddle is a Capricorn accuse you of thieving something. One Capricorn, what they want to cuddle with you and you never want to cuddle with them because at the time you were emotionally deprived, you were emotionally unavailable, and you did not want to be touched that way because you did not know how it felt like to be held by somebody while going through with toxic emotions. The only emotions that you thought related to love was sex. And then that's why the Capricorn a lie and a tell lies, say you thief from them or you're a prostitute or what the fuck is, because they wanted to cuddle you and emotionally you were not ready. That's what happened. You were mixing up love with sex at the moment and you did not have your wires crossed properly. So you could not aid the Capricorn in the cuddleness behavior when you were yourself was poisoned. You would have cuddled him and cuddled up poison and all of that shit. What the fuck happened? One way. And I was innocent and fighting for my fucking life. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.